This past year, here at UNDP's Chief Digital Office, we launched our first global accelerator for digital initiatives called Digital X. With the challenge focused on protecting vulnerable populations in times of COVID-19, applications were open to all UNDP country offices. After 180 applications from 80 countries, 10 projects were selected across a variety of program areas. All teams received a dedicated coach, a pool of world-class mentors, and funding to support their Digital X journeys. To hear more about the projects, we'll start with the teams that are using big data, machine learning, and AI in truly innovative ways. The first is in Bangladesh, where UNDP and A2I have partnered with the nonprofit Give Directly and researchers from IPA, who are using AI and big data sources like satellite imagery and mobile phone data to deliver aid to communities. So for example, if a government wants to know which populations are most at risk when a climate crisis strikes, this approach can help decision makers direct aid nearly instantly. In Sudan, UNDP has partnered with the social enterprise Cocotech, who have created a web platform called Meekin. Meekin uses AI to fight hate speech and misinformation on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and more. In Sudan, the platform will use machine learning to help CSOs to flag early warning signs for violent extremism and give insights on how to protect vulnerable populations. And UNDP's Nature Climate Energy team is designing a geospatial platform that will use machine learning to help channel investment to communities without access to energy. Their vision: provide 500 million people with sustainable energy. Going into health, in Libya, UNDP partnered with the telemedicine startup Spitar. Their platform connects doctors living in diaspora with patients in the safety of their homes. For war-torn Libya, a country that saw 17 attacks on health centers in 2020 alone, this approach was a welcome relief to both doctors and patients during times of crisis. Also in health, in the Dominican Republic, UNDP Accelerator Labs partnered with Intelisys to bring eHospital, a medical and mental health consultation platform. For this project, the focus was on providing services to very remote locations, something they hope to replicate to every corner of the country. To foster economic recovery, Digital X supported 3 country projects. In Azerbaijan, UNDP created a one-stop shop platform where citizens could find local businesses across the sectors of education, health, food, entertainment, and more. In Uganda, UNDP partnered with Jumia to bring informal market vendors such as farmers and connect them with thousands of new customers. Based on the success of this pilot, Jumia hopes to scale this initiative across Africa. And in India, UNDP is helping 50,000 rural women, mostly farmers, begin to earn a living online through their app and government support systems. Empowering youth was also important to us. In Somalia, UNDP is evolving their future-ready work by adapting a digital public good website created by A2I to help youth get trained and find jobs. And in Kyrgyzstan, UNDP Accelerator Labs partnered with the local startup Balatech to expand their gamified web application that teaches the principles of coding to youth. The games are so popular that their programming Olympiad expects to have 50,000 participants from 8 CIS countries later this year. And that's the first cohort of Digital X. The best part is they are just building momentum. If all goes well, the initiatives are projected to directly impact 1,136,000 lives by 2022. And with that, we must say thanks to the UNDP country office teams, UNDP Accelerator Labs, the external partners, the coaches, the mentors, our advisors, and of course, the government of Japan for making this happen. Thank you. It's been an exciting year of digital innovation at UNDP, and we are just getting started. Stay tuned for Digital X 2.0 launching in 2022. We expect it to be bigger, bolder, and working with more partners across UNDP and beyond.